All right, on this video, we're gonna talk about Airbnb investments in Colorado. I'm James Carlson. I'm one half of Aaron and James Real Estate. We are realtors in Denver and Colorado Springs. The biggest question you probably have when watching this video is whether or not you can trust the information that comes from a man who grew a mustache. A lot of questionable life decisions go into doing something like this, but I promise you, I actually know what I'm talking about. We are kind of Airbnb experts here in Colorado. We have made hundreds of calls to the planning departments of various cities all across the state, and we stay abreast of where you can and cannot do short-term rentals, and we work with a lot of clients like this, so we know what we're talking about. Okay, let's talk about Airbnb investments in Colorado. Why would you do them? Well, some people want a second home. Obviously, Colorado is an awesome place to be. There's skiing, there's hiking, there's a couple great cities. You want to have a place that you can come out here and visit, but you also want to be able to make some money whenever you're not here. Second reason might just be you want a pure Airbnb or vacation rental investment property. So really what we're talking about is money. You can make 3 times the gross revenue of a long-term rental with a short-term rental. If you're really doing it well, you've bought right, you've got views, you've furnished it well, you're taking good photographs, you're doing good customer service, you can see those returns actually go up even more from that. So there's a lot of different things we could talk about with how to run a short-term rental, what types of properties to look for, how to furnish it, who to manage it. But that's not really what I'm talking about here today. I'm really just talking about the fact that it can make you some money, and then where can you do it? What's that first threshold, that first bar you got to meet? It's whether or not it's legal where you want to buy. So let's talk about Denver. In the city of Denver, you can't do it. Not really. You can do it in a primary residence, but if you're looking for an Airbnb investment, a vacation rental, you can't do it in Denver because it has to be where you live. But there are some cities around Denver in which you can do short-term rentals, and they're so close to the actual city of Denver and all the stuff that you can do in Denver, the fun, bars, restaurants, shops, that they make great rentals. And because Denver is so restrictive, you've got all the people who want to stay in an Airbnb looking for places outside of Denver. So where can you do it in the Denver market? Arvada, Wheatridge, Centennial, Northglenn, Adams County. Now, technically, you can't do it in Adams County yet. They haven't passed that law, but they are about to. And everyone that I talked to in the planning department there says that it is going to be a very permissive law. So that's Denver. What about Colorado Springs? Second biggest city in the state. It's got Pikes Peak, which is the most prominent 14,000 foot peak in the area. It's got Garden of the Gods, which is a beautiful, beautiful place to go. In Colorado Springs, they used to be legal. Now they're not, or they kind of are. There are certain criteria you have to meet to have an Airbnb investment in Colorado Springs. I'm not going to go into it too much. It has to be a certain zoning, and it has to be a certain distance away from another Airbnb investment property. Just know that you still can do it in Colorado Springs. There's a lot of people coming here, and we do still find these properties and get buyers under contract on places that work as vacation rentals. Let's also talk about the mountains. I divide the mountain towns into 2 different areas. One is kind of the Front Range foothills area outside of Denver and outside of Colorado Springs. So what am I talking about? I'm talking about Bailey, talking about Conifer, Evergreen, Genesee, Indian Hills, right outside of Denver. Those are great areas for short-term rentals. I think some people think that you need to be really close to the ski towns, but I don't think that's actually the case, and the numbers don't prove that out. People like me, for instance, we don't ski, but we still like the idea of having that quintessential Colorado experience. Being in a cabin surrounded by pine trees and aspens, hanging out with your family, playing games, drinking hot cocoa, the whole bit. There's a real demand for that Colorado experience, especially from people who have never really had that mountain town vibe. Outside of Colorado Springs, you've got Woodland Park, you've got Divide, you've got Florissant, you've got Cripple Creek. Those are all great areas where we see some of our clients having really good success with short-term rentals. And then there's the actual ski towns. We're talking Breckenridge, Keystone, Aspen, Vail, Steamboat Springs. Those are great places to have one, but they're more expensive. And the cities themselves in those ski towns are starting to clamp down on the short-term rental laws because there's such a housing affordability issue, especially for the workers there that work in the slopes, that work in the bars, and are not the millionaires from out of state. So the cities themselves in the ski towns are pretty restrictive in a way. Breckenridge, for instance, has a cap on the number of short-term rentals. It's like going to a bar when you're in college. It's 1 in, 1 out, basically, in Breckenridge. And I think that's probably going to be the case for a lot of the ski towns going forward. But that doesn't mean that you can't find something in the counties outside of those ski towns. You're looking for a second home, you're looking for an Airbnb investment property because you like the appreciation potential of this market, but you also want to cash flow. There are a lot of opportunities here in Colorado. If you're looking to buy, sell, invest, looking to buy an Airbnb investment, reach out to us today at aaronandjamesrealestate.com. You can also like and subscribe and find more content on this channel. So where am I right now? Doesn't really have anything to do with the content that we're talking about, but you should check it out. It's a really cool space called Selfie Bear. It's on Tejon Street in Colorado Springs. It's a new selfie boutique where you can come in with your friends, with your family, with your grandchildren, and take photos in front of really cool stuff like these cats, like this wall that says, "I love you, say it back."